Hello developers. Today we are going to write a Java code to reverse words present in the given string using Java features. So here we have an input. In input we have learned Java programming for interview, and what we need to do is we need to reverse each word, but the position or indexation of each word should remain as is. Okay. So we can also talk on why we need this approach, because nowadays interviewers are focusing on how well you are in Java features. So it is very important for us to know this approach. To proceed further, first let's go through the traditional approach or the normal approach which we used to follow. So this is the normal approach which we used to follow. Here we have our string. First, we are converting that string into string array so that we can get the access of each word. After that, we are picking each word. We are applying first for loop to pick each word. After that, we are converting the each word into a character array. So we will get the access of each character present in the word. We are printing it in reverse order, and we are storing it into new string. We are adding space as well, and we are just printing my final new string, right? So this is my older approach where we are using for loop and we are reversing it. But nowadays we need or we should know how we can achieve same thing using streams or Java 8 features. So for that, you need to make sure that you are aware of the traditional approach. Secondly, our approach will be same. First, we need to convert my string into string array. So for that, we have arrays here, arrays dot streams. Okay, and here we can pass my string and we can split it, and that is done. Okay, so till here we have done the first step where we are converting my string into a string array. Okay, now I need to perform some logic so that my each word should get reversed and the index should not get saved. So in streams, we have a map method in which we in map uses functions, and function we need to pass something to function and it will return something, and in between we can pass any logic so that it will return the same output as per our expectation. So we can use map, and under map we are just passing words because all the words which we are getting as a part of a stream, it will be stored in this word. We need to use lambda expression, and we are creating a string builder over here. Okay, so we are converting that to a string into string builder. After that, what we need to do once till here we have that single word which is given by this stream, so we need to reverse it, and a string builder provides us a string reverse method. Okay, this is also done. Now till here we will get the reverse word, but we need to collect it because each and every word which we are getting here are separated. So for that we have one method, that is collect method. We can use this because collect method will provide us a collectors of join, because it will have all the output which we have received here, and we can join it and we can add a space so that this space will remain as is. And we also know that this whole thing is returning a string, so we can store uh, my whole thing into a new string. So I can name it as reverse string is equal to this. Now I can directly printing my reverse string. So here I am printing my input and I am printing my output both. Now we have the result, and this is my input and this is my output. If you can check in output, all the characters are reversed and the index of the words is not changed. Thank you.